Hello, this is Duntov and Duntov Jr. here with me today. So we're at the Treasure Island parking garage right now. So we're actually on the strip. It is Saturday, February 1st, 2025. So we are going to a concert across the street at the Venetian. So I figured I'm going to stop by and we're going to check out the Mirage at night. So I haven't been past here at night since they closed down. So we're on the Treasure Island parking deck. So this would be the north side of the property. And I just wanted to see how it looks. So you can see the lights aren't on the building itself, but just the reflection of all the stuff around is lighting it up. But I don't know how well you can see it in the video, but there are lights on in the building. You can see on the end of the tower there, they got lights on those floors. And then on this back wing, you can see a lot of lights on in there also. So I have heard that they are stripping out the rooms to remodel them. So I'm not sure how the process works. If they, a crew goes in, strips it out, and then if they're already remodeling it, putting the new stuff in. I would think it would kind of work that way. But I'm just going to show a little. We're going to actually walk on the strip. I'm going to put the camera up over the wall, see what they have going on behind the wall at night. I don't think there's any work, because from here I do not see the big yellow crane at all. I'm assuming they don't work on the weekends, but we're gonna see if it's lit up and what's going on over there. So we got down here to Rio. So the Rio is, they're remodeling a lot of the inside of it. And then they put the LED lights. It used to only have like what were they, Junior, like red and purple or something before. So now they put these LEDs. They do a lot of different like light shows on it now. And this was brought up that they have land available, that they were gonna put like an arena there for NBA. There's a few different spots in town that they're talking they want to build arenas. So this was one of them now, but I haven't heard anything lately about that. And then down by the Fontainebleau, where there used to be a water park there called Wet and Wild, they're saying they want to put build a hotel and a arena there for the NBA. But nobody's come through on any of that yet, so we'll just wait and see if we hear anything official. All right, so we got, you can just see some of the lights. We're gonna head on down, walk down the strip. We're going to the Venetian we're going to see Styx. If any of you like the older rock music, Styx is there tonight, so we're going to check them out. But we're a little early, so we're gonna go walking down the strip and check out the front of the Mirage. All right, this is Resort World. I'm waiting to see. Sometimes you can see the video screen on the side of the building there. Sometimes they have the Raider logo come up. So we're gonna see if it pops up here. Not yet. I'll keep a lookout. So this is the Fashion Show Mall is right here. And then we got on the other side, you can see next to Resort World, that is the Fontainebleau. And then we got the Encore and the Wynn over here. And then we're still in the parking deck, by the way. And then here's Treasure Island here. There we go. We got the Raiders right there. Pretty cool. Okay, we are now on Las Vegas Boulevard. This is, you can see the Hard Rock Hotel Casino Las Vegas. Still got the sign. It's a lot busier out here now than it normally is when I'm here in the morning.
Nobody's here usually.
Plus it's Saturday night. What time is it? It is 6:30 right now. Alright, so let's see what we got. Alright, I can see from here we got the yellow crane. They actually put the big, what would that be called? The mast or the boom or the crane?
Probably. I think so.
I can see they fold it. As we get closer over there, we will check it out. We can see inside here. There's some lights down on the lower part of the building there, but we're gonna put the camera up over the wall and just look around, see if we could see anything different. So this is gate 2.
Show this right above.
Oh yeah, so here's the arch again. No, still got the name covered up.
Plates are noisy.
I know, got them steel plates in the road. Okay, here's up over the wall. You can see the drill right here.
Oh, no.
Then you got the building. I think is that the moon up above it over there? Could you see the moon? Okay.
It was a little crescent.
Yeah, I can see the little light there.
That crane is huge.
Well, it's right in front of us. It's like the drill thing.
Yeah.
This is the one that was drilling for all the rebar cages that they were putting in.
Yeah.
So Junior hasn't been here with me for a while. You know, he's school and work and stuff, so he's usually busy. All right, so the building, that's actually just the reflections again from all the other buildings around it. It's not lit up. But then there are some lights down below. You know, more I think for the construction, just to light up the area there. All right, so you can see the yellow crane there, how they kind of just fold it up. It's just there. All right, so it's really not this bright out here. This camera is supposed to have really good like night, you know, where it could take some good video at night. So you can see it looks lit up pretty good. So, all right, I'm gonna move down more. We'll see if we can see down into the guitar area just to see what, you know, what they're working on. The way we got these cranes and drills in front, it's kind of blocking. So let's walk down and see. Oh, it's her. I'm just looking at the Madame Tussauds sign. We can hear them. That I get it. The annoying part. They were just showing who was saying it on the screen across the street from us.
They always gotta interrupt your videos.
Yeah, they're always, it's always kind of annoying. All right, so here's, you can see they got equipment parked here. So we were down by those pieces of equipment. Let me zoom in a little more. All right, so here's one of the bases for one of the tower cranes. I'm curious to see when they're going to start building those. Man, there's a lot going on in the background on the strip. There's a lot of music, a lot of noise.
It's annoying.
Yeah, it's kind of annoying in the background, but all right, so this would be where the atrium used to be, right here. We can see that gone. And it looks like, it's hard to tell right here. I think all the scaffolding is down. When I was here last time, they were removing the scaffolds.
That's smart. That's smart. That is smart.
All right, we're gonna walk down some more again. Check it out.
Yeah, you'll see that. Oh, that thing is annoying. That.
You don't like that sign?
No, I don't.
So there's White Castle over there. Casino Royale.
Get a grand slam.
Yeah. All right, so you can see right there the crane. Pretty interesting how they could just fold it up like that. I mean, I guess they have to if you're not using it, just because of wind and everything else. All right, so this would be like the perfect view of where the atrium would have been before. There it is, all gone. So you can see they have the lights on inside the building, and you know that would all be the casino area and the lobby.
I did a surf kind of bug out. Well, not only that, but it speaks every language.
Still got the marquee sign there. Looks like they haven't done anything. The other side still has some of the video screen up. That's the, you know, we're seeing the back side of that. It's hard for me to tell what that is right there. Looks like some rebar and stuff there. Then you could see all the rebar going in still over here. This is where we saw the yellow crane last time, was putting in the big rebar, like big rebar sheets that they made, that they were loading in. And then you could see the forms right there for when they pour the concrete into the forms. All right, so this is just something different. I was never out here at night. So Saturday night on the strip, this is what's going on at the construction site. Pretty much nothing. That's what we thought it would be, but that's it. Junior, what's that look like to you on there? I can't tell what that is.
It's like a truck or something.
Well, that is, but I'm trying to figure out what that silvery looking stuff. We can't figure out what that all is. And there's TI. So Treasure Island, if you didn't notice, it's pretty much the exact same shape, or it is the exact same shape as the Mirage, because they used to be owned by the same company before. Steve Wynn built that next to it. So, but then he sold that one off, and then they eventually sold this one off. All right, we're gonna walk around, just back down the strip to the car, and I'll just record as we're going.